All right, folks, I'm doing a bit of a longer one again today. I want to talk about how our brains get hijacked by microbes, and most of us don't even realize it. Basically, our bodies are complex ecosystems. We all have parasites, viruses, fungus, bacteria. It's normal, it really shouldn't be a problem. When we have a healthy immune system, they're all living in harmony together. They keep each other in check, just like a healthy forest ecosystem keeps all the species in check, so one species doesn't overgrow and take over. But most of us in the Western world don't have healthy immune systems anymore. We're exposed to pesticides in our food, chlorine in our water, toxic additives in snacks and junk food, and a lot of overuse of antibiotics. So the immune system starts to get compromised, and that ecosystem starts getting imbalanced. What happens then is we get these chronic infections. We get certain parasites or viruses, bacteria or fungus that start overgrowing. That's what dysbiosis is. When these microbes aren't kept in check anymore, they wreak havoc on our bodies, and they can influence our brain. If we have a healthy balance of organisms in our bodies, they are sending healthy messages to our brain. They are producing our neurotransmitters. They are helping keep our hormones balanced. They are helping us seek out healthy, nourishing foods. But when we have this unhealthy imbalance in the microbiome, we start getting really unhealthy messages to our brain. We're not producing enough neurotransmitters. We've got inflammatory cytokines in our brain, causing us to think really negative thoughts, to have obsessions, to ruminate, to even have irrational anger outbursts. They cause tics and neurological issues and difficulties with social interaction. And they make us crave the food that is going to feed them. That's why a lot of us have these insatiable cravings for things like bread and sugar and candy and sweets. Our brain has been hijacked by microbes. It's one thing to look at a piece of fruit or a traditionally made sourdough bread and think, oh, that looks nice. That would be a normal, healthy human response. But when we have what feels like an internal monster saying, I need that pastry or I feel like I'm gonna die, that's not coming from your human cells. That is coming from the microbe hijack. So yes, microbes are controlling all of us. They influence our personality, our worldview, how we interact. But it's this unhealthy hijack that is the problem, and that is why it is so important to address gut health when you are trying to heal your brain, your mood, your mental health, anything like that.